Hello, I'm Miss Monica from the Howard County Library System. I'm here to give you a book suggestion for your summer or everyday reading. This is a book recommended for grades 4 to 5, but certainly older children or even teens or adults, I think will enjoy this book. I read this book when it first came out last summer and I extremely enjoyed it. It's Extraordinary Birds and it's by Sandy Stark-McGinnis. And it tells the story of a girl by the name of December who believes she's a bird and that she can fly. So December's not had the easiest life. She is also a foster child and she's looking for her forever home. And she often uses her time to try to fly out of trees, which you don't want to try because it's really dangerous. You could hurt yourself falling from a tree. But December feels that she is a bird. So in this book, December goes to live with a lady by the name of Eleanor. She's her foster mom, and Eleanor happens to work at an animal rescue organization. And with Eleanor's help, December slowly learns how to heal herself, just like a wounded bird her and Eleanor start to work with. So I'm not going to share any more details because I don't want to give away the story, but this is a fantastic book full of hope. It was just what I needed to read last summer, and I think that you will agree, the theme of hope and families and finding love and how sometimes our families and love come to us in a different way. I think you'll find all of that amazing and well written about in this book. So Extraordinary Birds, check it out at your local library and happy reading.